Many years ago, Denver used to be known as a cow town, and the beef industry is still a big part of our economy. But Contact 7 Investigates is uncovering a potential health crisis inside JBS packing plant in Greeley. Chief Investigator Tony Kovaleski found management is not protecting employees from the risk of coronavirus.
They're letting people work in the areas where cases have been confirmed of people that have had coronavirus.
Her parents for decades have worked inside the massive JBS meat plant in Greeley.
They're not disinfecting anything. There's no protection whatsoever for the employees.
She's asked us to protect her identity, concerned her decision to speak out could result in retaliation.
I'm definitely angry. I'm very upset, and yeah, I'm very scared.
Angry and scared because these letters confirm within the past 24 hours, a doctor has informed her parents that they have both tested presumptively positive for COVID-19.
My dad is years old, okay? And my mom, she has asthma problems.
Concerns that leave her wondering why this major employer and massive meat plant is essentially allowed to ignore employee safety.
I do want people to be okay. And I want my mom and dad, to be okay, and hopefully things don't get worse for them.
Families and employees have reached out to doctors and the media, accusing JBS of ignoring calls for social distancing, not informing employees when other employees have tested positive, and not requiring quarantines for employees exposed to the virus.
I've spoken to at least 8 people who have told me on or off the record pretty harrowing stories about what's going on in there in relation to the virus.
Reporter Kyler Mead of the Greeley Tribune has also talked to insiders at the JBS plant.
While their policy, told to me, is to track down people that have been in contact with people that are sick, have them quarantine, that's clearly not happening.
Mead says one insider has told him they've constructed a picket sign.
The picket sign said, it's hard to close a business for 3 or 4 weeks. It's even harder to close the casket on your loved one.
Responding to our calls, the Weld County Health Department said they are now aware of the situation at JBS and have launched an investigation and made this a top priority. Late in the day, a doctor in Greeley confirming her team has seen more than a dozen JBS employees, all showing signs of COVID-19, all telling doctors that management at the meat plant is not supporting or encouraging symptomatic employees to remain at home. I'm Chief Investigative Reporter Tony Kovaleski.